I will show you how to install a Multilux V clips on a bathroom radiator. Our bathroom radiator has a 1/2 inch female thread connection, so I used a reducing coupler. The conical sleeves are inserted for radiators with a 3/4 inch male thread connection. I now remove the protective caps from the pipes and put the radiator couplings on. I now remove the protective caps from the pipes and put the radiator couplings on. The reducing couplers are screwed into the radiator and tightened with a 12mm Allen key. Then, I insert the sealing rings into the Multilux V clips and screw it to the reducing coupler. Now the Multilux V clips is screwed onto the pipe couplings. I have used soft sealing coupler so that tightening by hand is sufficient. Finally, I tighten the union nuts of the Multilux V clips with a 30mm wrench.